Always read your use and care guide. This video is for informational purposes only.
Is your dryer getting enough air? A proper vent system is very important to your dryer's performance. A clear and properly installed vent system shortens dry times, reduces energy usage, saves money, and extends the life of your dryer. A dryer vent test kit is available to test your dryer for proper venting. Testing your dryer's vent system is easy and takes just a minute. Before testing, remove clothes and any other items from the inside of the dryer drum. Check to make sure the lint screen is clean and in place. Break apart the card at the perforated line. Break apart the retainer and the hanger. Assemble the retainer and hanger. Insert the rounded pegs on the hanger into the top round holes, third from the left, of the exhaust vent. Place the card on the square peg of the hanger. Close the dryer door. Set the cycle selector control to the air dry or air fluff cycle. Please note, this test should not be run on a dryer that does not have one of these cycles. Press the start button and allow the dryer to run for 15 seconds. During the test, you may hear the card tumbling in the dryer. Open the dryer door. If the card is not on the hanger, then your vent is clear of obstructions. If the card is on the hanger, the vent is likely restricted. This could happen because of a possible lint buildup in the product, damage to or an obstruction in the external venting system. Perform the following checks. Check for lint in the lint filter. Check if the vent system is crushed or kinked. Only rigid or flexible metal vent materials should be used. Rigid metal venting is recommended for best drying performance and to avoid crushing and kinking, especially in the elbows and the outside hood. If you've performed all of these checks and still have airflow problems, there may be lint obstructing the airflow in parts of the vent system you can't see. You may need to have the internal venting cleaned. If the vent system is not restricted, blocked, kinked, or crushed, and meets installation requirements in your owner's manual, the card won't be on the hanger at the end of the dryer vent test, and the dryer should be ready for normal operation. Remove the card and the hanger from the dryer. The test is complete.
Always follow your use and care guide, included with every product, or available online at www.maytag.com.